Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. One of the simplest ways to earn more from every shopper is to help them buy more in a single order. A Buy Together bundle does exactly that. You group products that naturally go together and offer the set at a small saving. In this short guide, you'll build one from start to finish and lift your average order size. Start by opening product bundles from the left menu. This is where you group several of your products into one ready-made set that a shopper can add to the cart with a single click, instead of hunting for each item on its own. Give your bundle a clear, tempting name that tells the shopper what they get and why it belongs together, like a complete care set or a starter kit. A good name does half the selling before they even see the price. Now add the products that go together. Search for and pick items that a buyer would naturally want in the same order, a main product plus the things people usually buy alongside it. This is what nudges a one-item cart into a bigger one. Here's the lever that makes it work, the share discount. Take a little off the whole set so the bundle costs less than buying each piece on its own. The shopper feels they got a deal, and you earn more per order because they took more items at once. Keep the savings small enough to protect your profit. Set the status to active so your bundle goes live and shoppers can actually buy it. If you ever want to pause a set, just switch it back to disabled later. When your set looks right, click Create. Your Buy Together bundle is now ready to sell. Feature it on your store page and mention it in your next newsletter, and watch your average order size grow. And that's a Buy Together bundle. Pick products that belong together, add a small share discount, and give shoppers an easy reason to buy more at once. It's one of the quickest ways to lift your order size. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.